How to create a Snapchat business account. Hey guys, in today's video we will be talking about how you can set up your Snapchat business account. So right now on the screen you can see I'm on my Chrome browser right now and I have searched Snapchat business account. So what I'm gonna do is here I'm just gonna click on Snapchat business right here. So it's gonna log me into the Snapchat business web profile. So here what they're gonna ask me is to continue to ads manager you have to log into your Snapchat account. So once I log into my Snapchat account I'll get back to you guys. So hey guys, I have logged into my account. So they asked me about I put in my account and my password, and then they logged me into this business profile. Now they're asking me some of the questions, like you can see here they're asking me some business details, public profile, and etc etc. So they're asking me some user settings, and then when I enter those settings I have to just click on this button, open a business account, and my business account will be created. So you can see right here, so the organization, you can see here I've created my name as an organization. So they asked me in the front, which I was unable to record because there was some privacy issues. So they asked me like, do you want this name to be your a good title name organization? So I said no, just keep it like this Al Burhani, what I have written. So yeah guys, this is how you can log into your business account, and you can now just add your details here, and then your business account will be created. So I hope guys this was something helpful for you, and if it did help you, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and press that bell icon so you can get all the updates and all the features and all the things, tips and tricks about Snapchat, Instagram, and all the social media applications. So yeah guys, that's it for today. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.